Here is the work I have ahead of me. Up there, all of this blue cable needs to be covered with metal. We've installed a full kitchen with an island and all the interior doors. Our team also handled the wall cladding, using both plastic panels and metal sheets. We built this staircase and installed these modern railings. It turned out very solid and stylish. Heading upstairs, the guys are currently covering the utility cables with metal boxing. This is a key step to hide all the wiring and finish the look. Subscribe to see the final reveal of this storage conversion.